Hi guys, this is Ankita. Welcome to peepingmoon.com and कुछ भी हो सकता है। आज के दिन में तो ये हो रहा है कि मेरे साथ है अनुपम खेर सर और हम कुछ बातें करने वाले हैं। वैसे लाइफ में कुछ भी हो सकता है का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन अनुपम, इन योर करियर I would say you defied the norms pretty easily. You really worked hard to be where you are today. In nutshell, 4 decades, theater, films, TV, West. How will you sum up yourself?
There's plenty of years left to sum up my life. So this is not the time to sum up. This is time to move on and move on. So, no, God has been kind. The people have been kind. My attitude has been great. Because at a very early stage in my life, when I was a young boy, my father once told me that failure is an event, never a person. So that defined my life, and I said, I will try anything. And if it doesn't work out, it will be the event that will fail. It will not be me who will fail. So I celebrate failure. My play Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta is based on my shortcomings, on my failures, on my disasters, things which went wrong in my life, etc., etc. And I laugh at them. So when you do that, it makes you a stronger person. When you make fun of your own self in anything that went wrong, then world has nothing to frighten you with.
Exactly.
World tries to frighten you with your shortcomings, what you think are not working, etc., etc. But if you tell the whole world that I was almost going bankrupt, and during the shooting of Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I went through facial paralysis, or I did not get the role of Nehru in the film Gandhi, or my film, that first directorial venture was a disaster and it flopped. So then the world does not have anything to tell you that, oh, we know something about you which you don't want to tell. So it liberated me. Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai, my play, based on my failures, liberated me. It liberated me of the fear of failure. And that's why in your introduction you said that I do so many things, because it doesn't matter to me. That I know that I am one of the many thousands of people who came before me, and there are a lot of people who will come after me. God has been kind for the work that I've done. Yesterday, 3rd June 1981, I came to this city with 37 rupees in my pocket. And look at us, you are in Pathankot and I am in Mumbai, and we are talking about my achievements. We are talking about the career that spans for 36 years. Means how many people, millions of people who come to this city to make it with maybe great talent, maybe great looks, but 0.01% make it.
Exactly.
And I am one of them, and I have survived for 36 years. And I'm still happening.
Sir, tell me something. 450 shows of your play. What was the idea to go behind digital? Considering, I guess that was the only tick mark left in your repertoire of work. Like almost all the mediums you have explored was the one left.
So far.
So far.
Yeah. No, about 4 years back, I injured my knee because I was walking too much. I injured my knee in Australia during the shooting of Hotel Mumbai. And for 1 year, I could not do my play, Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta, because in my play, I have lot of movement. It's a one-man show, 127 pages, and I play more than 100 characters. So there is a lot of up jumping, sitting down, walking, etc. And then when I recovered and I started doing shows again, I thought, let's record this play, as it will be great to sort of shoot the play. So maybe 30 years later, when I will look at it, we should have a record of everything.
Exactly.
We should have a record of every single thing. So we decided to shoot the play in a live performance, that I was actually performing in St. Andrews Auditorium. And the only thing that we did, I said, I want to do it is as a magnum opus. I want to shoot it with 10 cameras, hire the best online editor and the director who will shoot it. So we hired the best team. We used 10 cameras. We shot it. When you see the film, it's like a film when you see the play. And then it was just lying there 2 years back. We shot this thing 2.5 years back. But when I came back and simultaneously the work of websites was certainly going on, because I just wanted to have my website so that we can put so much stuff that I have done and accumulate in one place. And this lockdown started, and one day I said, "Chalo, let me see the play and see what can I do now," because I just did 2 shows of Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta in New York.
Okay.
So when I saw the play, and I felt the play deals with hope, compassion, and never giving up attitude. It made me revisit my life, and it made me feel stronger in this time of lockdown. I said, "Koi baat nahi," because we all go through uncertainty, insecurity, a sense of depression, sense of don't know what's going to happen. कुछ लोगों के जॉब चले गए, कुछ लोगों का कारोबार चला गया, और ऐसे में कहीं से तो होप मिलनी चाहिए. एक अपना मन आपको होप देता है, your own mind gives you hope. So I thought that this will be a great thing to do, to put it on my platform. I did approach some other OTT platforms, but it was not working out. So then I thought, I have a website, why not put it on my own website? I will be the first actor to put my autobiography, which I did on stage, on my own website.
See, another
too much of but it's Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai. My reference point to my life goes back to 3rd June 1981. It doesn't go to 3rd June 2019. That मैंने तब तो इतना कमाया था. मेरा वो तब से जाता है कि अरे शिमला का छोटे से शहर का लड़का, son of a forest department clerk, is putting his play on his own website. तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. So that was the theory behind it, and once people watch it, maybe, and it's a very entertaining play. It makes you laugh so much, and it makes you at places hopefully cry also. But in my life, people will see glimpses of their life, because the play is about wanting to do things, play is about not giving up, play is about small town romance, play is about what did not work, play is about my life, and yet always wanting to say, अरे नहीं मैं कोई बात नहीं. अगर मेरा एक टीचर था PT teacher, at a very young age he told me, I was running in the school ground, he says, रुक जा, even if you run alone you will come second. Yeah, so he was trying to make fun of me. That was frightening. So it damaged my self-confidence for a long time. I did not run for a long time. But when you tell this kind of stories of your life, then it sort of gives courage to a lot of people. That यार अगर एक so-called successful actor के साथ ऐसा हो सकता है, and even what autobiographies do. When I was a struggling actor, I used to read every autobiography and get strength out of it. So in this lockdown period, it will be an added possibility that not only that you get entertained, you see a play which is full of entertainment, but also the philosophy of the play is never give up.
Sir, one thing which is, sorry, I'm interrupting you, but which resonates with you, if I ever think about you, apart from the kind of work which you have done, I find it, and your intro also in website almost resonates with the opinion. You're unapologetic, you're honest, and you're upfront. Just in taking a case of example of social media, you are not scared to hold back, be it emotions, be it opinions, and be it calling a spade a spade. Does being an actor makes you fearless to put out an opinion, or often rather being an actor holds you back to say out things loud? Because I have always seen you as unfiltered.
Acting is part of my life. It is not my life.
Exactly.
Like I'm sure being a host or on this website is part of your life, but it is not your life.
Exactly.
So what is your life is the person that you are. You have to live with yourself. You have to live with your own convictions. You have to live with your own truth. I believe that when you're telling the truth, you don't have to remember it. I want to be comfortable with myself. I'm not here to make other people comfortable. Yes, of course, I should not hurt anybody. I should not displease anybody without any reason. I should not say something which is insensitive. But I should not be insensitive to myself. If I want to say something, I should have the liberty of saying it without worrying, "Arey, kuch log bura maan jaye." There is not a single person in this world who is liked by everybody.
Exactly, I agree.
आपके पठानकोट में ही इस समय 25 लोग सोच रहे होंगे आपके आसपास कि अनुपम खेर से बात कर रही, बड़ी अपने आप को पता नहीं क्या समझती है. So I'm just giving you a very brief example. So when you know that there are people who are very close to you, they need to be in sync with you, or you need to be in sync with them. That's all. You cannot, if I feel certain things about my country, if I feel certain things about people, not that I will go out of it, but I will say it, somebody asks me. I run an acting school.
Exactly.
I cannot, where students can ask me any question and I should be honest to answer it. My grandfather used to say, if you're honest and you work hard, then you are fearless. You see, today, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, लोग भाई कुछ एक certain section of people मुझे फिल्मों में नहीं लेंगे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, कुछ political party के लोग upset हो जाएंगे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, कुछ actors जो हैं या जिनकी अलग किस्म की leaning है या producers हैं, ये नाराज हो जाएंगे. मैं तो नहीं नाराज होऊंगा ना अपने आप से. मैं नहीं नाराज होना चाहता अपने आप से. I want to be liking myself, and it is the spirit which keeps you going. ये डर के रहना, I don't think that's important. My father, once my grandfather was eating food and he was making this sound. My mother, who cheekily said to my grandfather कि बाबूजी क्या कर रहे हो आप, कैसे खा रहे हो आप, आवाज कर रहे हो. So I remember my grandfather's answer. उन्होंने कहा बेटा मुझे तो मजा आ रहा, प्रॉब्लम तेरी है.
Which is true. Like I can't. Yeah.
We all our life we want to become somebody so that people can like us.
Exactly.
But if you are yourself, then you have the liberty of being yourself. People who pretend don't like themselves. That's why they pretend. अब मैं आपके सामने बैठकर मैं यहाँ पर विग लगा के बैठ के बात करता तो I would have been stupid ना. ये पंखा चल रहा है, एसी चल रहा है, मुझे इसी का टेंशन रहता कि मैं विग पकड़ के बात करता. I'm just saying that it is the most liberating thing in the world is to be yourself. But we are living in a world where marketing is told somebody is better than you. You are constantly told that somebody is better than you. अरे यार इसके वेबसाइट के तो इतने व्यूज हैं, हमारी वेबसाइट कितने, तो आपको छोटा महसूस कराया जाता है. फेसबुक पे मेरे 450 लाइक्स आए, तेरे कितने आए? 750. ओ माय गॉड. तो पूरी जिंदगी जो है इस तरह से मैं नहीं काटना चाहता. मैं खुश हूँ. और कौन है ये लोग जो मुझे जो आप अभी मैं एक ट्वीट डालता हूँ, वो ट्वीट अभी लैंड करता है तो 50 ट्रोल जो है पहले से उनके आंसर तैयार होते हैं. Can you imagine their life? Can you imagine their sad life that they are so उनको कोई काम नहीं, वो बैठे हैं कि अनुपम खेर का मैसेज आ गया, डाल दो जी, कुछ भी लिखा हो आप ही डाल दो. And we are talking about my life. So who are these people? I have to live with myself and my conscience, which has to be clear. I am honest to my knowledge and I am myself.
Baki then, I agree, sir. This is very beautiful point put. Sir, because you are so senior and I think you might be the best person to give us an insight on this. While the pandemic has given us enough grief in enough departments, or even give us a ray of hope, as a film fraternity senior and a member, you can also comment on that. We have lost some lives in the most unexpected manners, from Irfan to Rishi sir to now just Vajit sir. Do you think that as an industry, we suffered a major blow, even not in the space, just the name of economics, even as emotionally we went through one of the most toughest times we could imagine?
It will be very selfish of us to think that only this industry has suffered loss. Humanity has lost.
Humanity, there are incidents each day which boggle your mind.
I became very close to Rishi sir when he was for 1 year in New York. Loss is a loss. I think the loss का कोई तराजू नहीं होता है. But yes, Wajid I just met twice. What an amazing! He was so full of life. Irfan Khan, amazing actor, great guy. That loss, nothing can happen. But unfortunately, we could not even pay our full. वरना क्या होता है? There's a process when somebody unfortunately goes, that the whole industry goes there. There is that going there makes the family feel that how respected and how much loved this person was. The tragic part of it is for the industry and for everybody else who lost their dear ones, and there was not people who were there to give the. I mean, मेरा एक बड़े अच्छे दोस्त हैं मोहन मीकिन के कंपनी के, वो he died at a very young age, and वो आज उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज भेजा है कि Zoom के थ्रू हम उनका condolence meeting कर रहे हैं. It's so sad. There are so many people who have just America में तो they are doing the rituals of cremation and only giving the asthia to families. So that unfortunate tragedy is very sad. But I think we needed this churning. We as human beings had started taking for granted our power over this Mother Earth. मतलब हम चांद पे जाने की सोच रहे थे और सोचते हैं कि चांद पे इकट्ठी कर देंगे, दुकान खोल देंगे, हमारे पास इतने बॉम्ब हैं, हमारी इतनी सेना है. एक छोटे से वायरस ने हम सबको आज अपने घरों में जू की तरह जानवर बना के, बाहर कुत्ते बिल्लियां गायें सब घूम रही हैं सड़कों पे. हम we are in the zoo now. The only thing that we have a bed and we have a house. So this is a learning. I think this will change. But yes, the loss of people, whether it is in industry, there are personal losses. I feel very sad for Rishi Ji's wife, children, unki family, Irfan's family, what they must be going through. They have to live in this lockdown. Not many people are going to grieve. When my father lost, it took me, I still feel the loss of my father. But at least when his prayer meeting was there, everybody was there. तो लॉस का कोई टाइम टेबल नहीं होता है और यादों का भी कोई टाइम टेबल नहीं होता है, यादें कभी भी आ सकती हैं. So we have to live with this kind of a situation.
But sir, will we come out stronger? And if I'm asking just purely from the point of view of
I think I'm an eternal optimist. To me, the ultimate definition of optimism is that nothing is all wrong. Even a clock that has stopped running is correct twice a day.
Lovely.
Yeah, so you're talking to an eternal optimist. Yes, I think we will. I think we will be a better set of people. We have gone through a lot of trauma, tragedy, insecurity, uncertainty. But this is the time to revisit our lives and maybe respect other inhabitants of this earth. And hopefully that will happen because that's what evolvement is all about. And human involvement can make that happen.
Changing just the scenario. So this is a personal compliment. Your mother, Dulari Rocks. Oh God, that is, I think, the most happiest thing which I ever put on your social media and see. She
Yes.
wrapped us up with the most normal, sweetest things. Please tell me, how did you tap onto that? That was the most unexpected, happiest thing I ever always come across. How does that happen?
3 years back, well, she's always been like this. My whole family has been like this. We are the most original people in the world. We say whatever we think. I can discuss with my mother anything in the world, or when my father was there, right from childhood.
Oh,
It's not that we could say anything to her. If I can talk about it, it will be another episode. But 4 years back, I think I was talking to her and I had phone with me. So I said, I shot her and she kept saying, "Kya kar raha hai tu? Hat piche ye sab." And I posted it. And I just made a tag for this hashtag called Dulari Rocks, because we used to always say, "You rock, mom, you rock." So we called it Dulari Rocks. And the reaction of the people was because they saw their mother, their dadi or nani in my mother, because every mother is like that. They're unfiltered because वो life जी चुके होते हैं, उनको diplomacy वगैरह कोई समझ में नहीं आती है. So tomorrow is my mother's birthday. I'm announcing it for the first time, and I am going to meet her after 73 days. Yes.
finally.
So I have to go, and she's shouting at me. She's worried also. She calls me at 8:30 in the morning to find out whether I've slept well, or to find out. And then she calls me in the afternoon, and then she calls FaceTime with my brother sometimes. She's a epitome of motherhood of everybody. If she makes you laugh because you identify some person of your family with her.
Exactly.
हाँ, मेरी दादी भी ऐसी थी, मेरी नानी भी, या मेरी माता जी भी उस तरफ जा रही हैं, या it's they're as you said rightly, they're unfiltered, and she's a joy, and उसका गुस्सा वो now we try, अब मजा नहीं आता अगर वो normal बात करती है. So my brother उनको कुछ थोड़ा चाबी देता है, तभी उनको she hates to wear that hearing aid. She hates it. So but we say that to her कि भाई लगाओ थोड़ा, and we make fun of her कि हाँ कभी-कभी हम बात नहीं करते, ऐसे करते. She said क्या बोला? So we do all kinds of thing, and she takes the bait. So it's fun. It's fun to have a mother like that. Yes.
Before we sign off, sir,
Also, one more thing that I think that is done is, apart from entertaining millions of people, my mother, I think also somewhere even 1% that has happened, that we started re-looking at our old parents. That there is something more to them just being part of furniture. ये दादाजी, ये सोफा है, ये बेड है, ये पिताजी बैठे हैं, ये माताजी बैठी हैं. There is so much interesting in them. They have lived a life. In this pandemic, in this lockdown, I always request people, talk to your parents, ask them their stories. Where did they come from? What they are so inspirational, autobiographical biopics they have. So that has also helped. मुझे काफी लोग social media पे लिखते हैं कि sir, we have started looking at our parents in a different way. We all want to make videos about it.
Because we always complain we don't get time, and this was the time, at least personally, like there was so much to connect, so much to catch on.
What did we do in this pandemic, in this lockdown? What are we discovered? What are our essential things? We need sabzi, roti, bahar se malte, and we want to be with our families. That's all we need. When you said na, that after this things will change, it will change. Nobody goes to a Gucci shop or a mall to sort of just do shopping a window, because that is an extension of life. But actually you need your family. मैं अपने घर चला जाऊं कैसे जैसे घर पहुंच जाऊं, माँ बाप के घर चला जाऊं जैसे तैसे, और जैसे तैसे खाना मिल जाए.
Sir, on parting note, what next? Because there is so much from you already. I am very excited to know what next. Genuinely, what next?
अभी तो इब्तिदा है, अभी तो शुरुआत है.
If nothing, I will take eternal optimism from you definitely by the end of this interview.
Absolutely. बड़ा अच्छा एक गाना है जो कि गम की अंधेरी रात में दिल को ना बेकरार कर, सुबह जरूर आएगी, सुबह का इंतजार कर.
Wow.
You see, night is an indication of morning. Night is not an indication of darkness. A bend in the road is not the end of the road. So there is कुछ भी हो सकता है. मैंने थोड़ा सोचा था मैं एक दिन रॉबर्ट डिनीरो मेरे दोस्त बन जाएंगे. मैं सोचा ही नहीं था, दूर दूर तक नहीं सोचा था. दूर तो आज से 5 साल पहले आपको कोई बोलता, not that I am comparing myself with Robert De Niro, I'm just thinking 5 साल पहले आपको बोलता कि ठीक है ना, Zoom कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे होंगे जहाँ पर पठानकोट में आप अपने घर पे बैठे, पीछे पंखा चल रहा है, राइट पे आपके मदर फादर कोई सोच रहे होंगे कि काश हम भी इस फ्रेम में आ जाएं तो देख लें कैसा लगता है. तो it's a very natural thing. अगर मैं दिलीप साहब से बात कर रहा होता, जिनको मैं समझता हूँ मेरे मतलब सीनियर और फैंटास्टिक एक्टर, तो हमारे अंदर भी फैन छुपे हुए हैं, तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो मुझे क्या पता कि हो सकता है कि मैं कुछ अच्छा काम करूं. मैं प्लान करनी चाहिए लाइफ, पर कभी-कभी कुछ चीजें खुली भी छोड़ देनी चाहिए.
But thank you so much, sir, because if nothing, I have taken this one thing, कुछ भी हो सकता है. I have taken this lesson that let life be. Like, don't hold it too tight.
Yes, so let's plug back my play that on the 7th of June on my website, which is theanupamkher.com, you will watch my play from say 11:30 onwards in the morning. You have to pay 399 rupees. For 1 week, you can show it to your parents, your family, and then you can charge your neighbors 5 rupees each and उनको भी दिखा सकते हो.
I like the last one. I'll do that.
उनको देखना है, अनुपम खेर का प्ले देखना है, लाओ 5 रुपए लाओ, अपने 399 रुपए आप वैसे ही रिकवर कर लेना, बल्कि 10 रुपए में बेच देना, 5 रुपए बना लेना. This is the benefit.
I would rather ask everyone to log in and watch definitely. But thank you so much, sir, for all the entertainment and such a lovely interview. Thank you so much.
My love to your family and take care. Lots of love. Bye bye.